Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In today's video, sharing with you all another beautiful 4-bed detached property, and this is from Taylor Wimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. The location details are shared in here. For further queries, you can contact their website. Now coming to the schools, you have some good primary and secondary schools nearby. You also have some supermarkets very near. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor we have a beautiful lounge, kitchen with dining, washroom and a garage. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a spacious hall which is curved in shape, and you have various partitions towards your living, kitchen and dining and also upstairs. So first we'll begin with the living room. Today Aryan has joined us in touring this new build property and he was really excited. Now as you can see, this lounge is quite spacious and beautiful. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily and there's plenty of room space to walk around. The front facing window is quite big and beautiful, and there is also a small window towards the other side. So very good light and air movement. Overall, it's a perfect place to chill out with your family. So this is all about the living room. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. Now as you come out of the living room, towards your right side you have a couple of small rooms. One of them is the washroom. So this is the washroom in the ground floor. You have the water closet and sink. The space is also quite okay. Now towards the entrance there is another small room with door and lock. This has got the mains in it. Some builders provide a separate room for the mains like this, and some of them they just give it in the washroom. Now while moving towards the kitchen and dining, in between you have a small storage space. This is the space under the staircase. I really like the corridor space also here, it's quite good. Now let's explore the kitchen and dining. So this is the kitchen with dining space. Looks very beautiful, especially the dining area. Looks like Aryan liked it a lot, so he went and occupied the middle seat. You also have the garden access through the French doors here. Lot of light and air movement. In fact, the room is looking very bright and beautiful. The dining space looks complete with the table and the corner sofa. These days kids love to sit in these kind of corner sofas rather than sitting in the individual chairs. It's more comfortable. There's a beautiful garden there outside, but we cannot access it at the moment. So let's explore the kitchen area now. It's a small and sweet kitchen with all the modern facilities included. The boiler is fitted in here, and there are a lot of cupboards both at the bottom and even on the top. And as you can see, the window also is quite big here. And this is the space for the washing machine. And there are also other cupboards at the bottom. The branded gas hob, exhaust and also the panels in the kitchen are really good. Towards the other side you have few more cupboards on the top and even at the bottom. And you also have the integrated oven, fridge and freezer. So this is the space for the fridge and freezer. Now if it's not included in the property, you can buy and give it to them during the time of furnishing, and they will make this integrated. Overall, a bright and beautiful kitchen with dining. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's move to the first floor of the house. As I told you, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. So let's explore the master bedroom first. Now this is the master bedroom of the house. A double cot fits in, and there is really a good room space to walk around. As you can see, there's a beautiful window towards one side, so very good light and air movement. You can easily have a dressing table towards one side, and there is good room space to walk around. And towards the other side, there is a small room with door and lock, and inside it's the space given for your wardrobes. So normally in the other houses you'll find the inbuilt cupboards kept in here. So instead of those cupboards, they gave a small room, so you can have a cupboard fitted in inside here, or you can straight away hang your clothes and put your stuff inside. It's very good actually. I really like this idea. And towards the other side you have the bathroom. Here you have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and you also have a window towards one side. It's a fully tiled bathroom. Very beautiful. So this is all about the master bedroom. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. Just as you come out of the master bedroom, towards your right side there is a small room with door and lock again. Now inside this room you have the water heater. Now let's explore the second bedroom of the house. So this is the second bedroom. It's got a decent space, a double cot fits in, and you can walk around. As you can see, there's a window towards one side, so very good ventilation. It's totally up to you. If you want to go for extra study table or dressing table, you can. You can use this as a guest room, kids room, study, whatever you want to. There is also space given to have your inbuilt shelves towards the other side. So this is all about the second bedroom of the house. Let's move to the third bedroom. So just beside it you have your third bedroom. This has got a very good space. Maybe because of its shape and size it looks much bigger. So a double cot fits in, and you really have good space to walk around. And as you can see, there's a window towards one side. Again, very good ventilation. You can enjoy your garden view through this window here. It's quiet and peaceful. Now towards the other side you have very good space to have your inbuilt cupboards. Overall, a very beautiful room. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. So just beside this third bedroom you have the common bathroom. It has got the bathtub, water closet, sink, and there is also a window towards one side. Again, this is fully tiled bathroom. Now beside the family bathroom you have the fourth bedroom of the house. This is comparatively smaller in size, but still it's got a nice window towards one side, so very good ventilation. A small cot fits in, and you have space to have a table or a cupboard. It's totally up to you how you want to use it. You can use it as a computer room, gaming room, study, or storeroom. It's small and sweet. We covered all the rooms in this property. A very beautiful house with good space and comfort given. Even if you check out the corridor space, it's quite okay compared to the other houses. Now while going downstairs, don't forget to check out the window facing the staircase. It's really pretty with the natural light falling on the staircase. So let's go downstairs and check out the garage. Now as you come out of the house, towards your left side you have the garage. And you also have the car park space either in front of the house, or it might be given towards the side. Because it's a show home, it's not very clear, but you'll definitely get 2 car park space. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.